When it comes to choosing between lemongrass water and moringa water as a beauty drink, the decision can be a bit tricky. Both have their unique benefits, but if we're looking for the one that might give you that extra edge, moringa water often comes out on top. Let's dive into the details. Moringa is packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and cytokines. These powerful compounds work together to fight free radical damage, which is a major contributor to aging. Imagine your skin as a canvas. Moringa helps keep that canvas youthful and vibrant. It promotes cell regeneration, which means your skin can renew itself more effectively. Plus, if you're dealing with dark spots or hyperpigmentation, Moringa can help lighten those areas, giving you a more even skin tone. But that's not all. Moringa also improves skin texture and hydration. It's like a drink of water for your skin, helping it to stay plump and radiant. So, if you're looking for a beauty drink that supports your skin's health from the inside out, Moringa water is a fantastic choice. Now, let's talk about lemongrass water. This one is particularly beneficial for those with acne-prone or oily skin. Lemongrass has natural antibacterial and astringent properties, which means it can help cleanse your pores and reduce excess oil production. If you've ever struggled with breakouts, lemongrass water might just be your new best friend. It works to purify your skin, helping to keep those pesky blemishes at bay. Another perk of lemongrass water is its refreshing citrus flavor. It's not just good for your skin, it's also enjoyable to drink. Imagine sipping on a cool glass of lemongrass water on a hot day. It's invigorating and can make you feel revitalized from the inside out. So, which is better? If you're looking for a drink that focuses on overall skin health and radiance, Moringa water is likely the winner. Its rich nutrient profile can help combat signs of aging and improve your skin's appearance significantly. On the other hand, if your main concern is acne or oily skin, lemongrass water could be the perfect solution for you. Ultimately, it might come down to your specific skin needs. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try incorporating both into your routine? You could enjoy the benefits of moringa for its anti-aging properties and lemongrass for its cleansing effects. It's all about finding what works best for you and your skin. So whether you choose moringa or lemongrass, you're making a step toward healthier, more beautiful skin.